cool shoes. Put on your magic sunglasses, hop on the skateboard. We gotta surf the fantastic. Cool cats, boogie woogie, step to the groove. Everything is wonderful when I'm with you. Let's celebrate a groovy day. It's time for Pete the Cat Club. Yay, friends.
Hey everybody, it's time for Pete the Cat Club. Meow, meow, meow. So glad that you all came today. So what are you having for snacks? Can I have some snacks too? I want some ice cream. Well, today I thought on Pete the Cat Club it would be fun to do Pete's mom and dad. And there's a book called Pete the Cat Meet Pete, and it has all of Pete's friends, and it has his mom and dad too. And it's a tab book, and so you can turn right to the page that has Pete's mom and dad. And I thought that we would draw Pete's mom and dad. And Pete's dad is kind of silly because he's just about always wears a tie. And I always think it's funny. Sometimes he's wearing a tie and I think, why doesn't he take his tie off today? But he must like to wear a tie. So, are you ready? Do you think you can draw Pete's mom and dad? Here we go. Can you see them? Can you see Pete's mom and dad on your piece of paper? Well, I'm looking at my piece of paper and I see Pete's mom. Her head is right there. And I see Pete's dad's head. Where do you see Pete's dad? I see him right beside her. I see his head right there. So I drew two ovals. And then Pete's mom is wearing a dress. So her dress is shaped like that. And Pete's dad always wears a tie for some reason. I haven't quite figured that out yet. So I'm going to draw Pete's dad's tie and his shirt and his belt and his pants. Can you draw all that? Are you keeping up? Are you behind already? Well, hurry up. Okay, so here's Pete's mom's legs and her feet. And here's her arm. And here's Pete's dad's feet. Wait a minute. I'm gonna make his pants longer. Okay, there's his feet. And here's his arm over here. And his paw. Okay, now let's draw their eyes. And their eyes are just like Pete the Cat. They're like footballs. So here's Pete's mom. What color are Pete's mom's eyes? Does anybody know? Are they green? No. Are they blue? Yes. That's right. And here's Pete's dad's eyes. What color are Pete's dad's eyes? Do you remember? They're green. What color are Pete's brother Bob's eyes? Do you remember? They're like Pete's dad, they're green. Okay, so Pete's dad his nose is a triangle and he's smiling like that. And Pete's mom is smiling and her nose is a triangle. And Pete's mom has a tail. Let's give her a tail so we don't forget. And Pete's dad has a tail. Let's give him a tail. And what else is missing? Their ears. Oh yeah. There's Pete's mom's ears. They're triangles. And Pete's dad's ears. And whiskers. Oh, let's see. And Pete's mom's dress has lace at the top. And she has lace on her sleeve. Okay. And Pete's mom has white feet and a white tip on her tail. And she has a white face like Bob. And she's a yellow cat. She's kind of a gold yellow cat. And Pete's dad has stripes. He's yellow, but he has kind of brown stripes. Kind of reddish brown stripes. Okay. Phew. That was a lot. Why don't we draw some flowers on Pete's mom's dress? Can you draw flowers? Let's draw, just put the flowers wherever you want to, just here and there. Okay. All right. I hope you're keeping up. Here's Pete's mom's eyes. How's your Sharpie doing? Is your Sharpie working today? Mine's working okay. I had to get a new one. And there's Pete's mom's head. Now I'm going to draw her dress. And some flowers. And her hand. And the rest of her dress. And some more flowers. I think that's enough flowers. And her tail, and whiskers, and feet. Okay, there's Pete's mom. Now, let's do Pete's dad. Let's do his eyes. I think the eyes are the most important part. That's why I always do them first. Pete has really nice parents. They take good care of Pete. They love Pete, and they love Bob too. They're always doing things for them. I like that book about when they went on the camping trip. And Pete was worried about Bigfoot, and then Bob told him not to worry about Bigfoot. Remember that? I like that foot. Okay. There's Pete's dad. He has stripes on his tail. What do you think? Does that look okay? All right, where's your eraser? Oh my goodness. I made another big mess. I'm sure glad I got an eraser. I'm gonna have to get a new eraser. I made so many mistakes. Okay. I hope you've got your crayons. I hope you've been keeping up too. I think that looks pretty good. Oh no. I left the line off right there. I made another mistake today. Oh my goodness. Okay. Thank you for watching Pete the Cat Club. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye. Meow.
My name is Sebastian. I am 3 years old.
Now it's time for
Pete the Cat story time.
Hey guys, thank you for sending in that great groovy artwork. We love seeing it. Keep sending it in. We love to see your talented selves and what all you're doing and drawing. And today I'm going to share with you Pete the Kitty and the Groovy PlayDate. And this is about Pete when he was a little younger and having experiences of having first play dates and things like that. So Pete is probably about 3 or 4 years old, so I hope you dig this. It's a great little story. It's a lot of fun, and maybe some of you have had this experience when you have play dates. So let's just jump in. Okay, there's Pete. He's super excited. Pete the kitty jumps out of bed. I cannot wait. Grumpy Toad and I have a groovy play date. Hey, Grumpy Toad, I'm ready to play. It's going to be an awesome day. Pete wants to play with Grumpy Toad's cool blue truck. Zoom, zoom, zoom all around the room. But Grumpy Toad starts to whine. That truck is mine, mine, mine. Pete the kitty says, no worries, that's okay. I'll find something else to play.
Page number 4.
Thank you, Belle. Thank you, Belle, for the hat.
She'll get it up.
Yeah, you can just go back a couple pages and we'll pick up from there.
Okay. So just here.
Zoom, yeah.
Okay. You're not a cat. You don't have a hairball. Pete wants to play with Grumpy Toad's cool blue truck. Zoom, zoom, zoom all around the room. But Grumpy Toad starts to whine. That truck is mine, mine, mine. Pete the kitty says, no worries. That's okay. I'll find something else to play. Pete finds some blocks. Let's build the city, says Pete the kitty. But Grumpy Toad starts to whine. Those blocks are mine, mine, mine. Pete the kitty says, no worries. That's okay. I'll find something else to play. Pete sees a superhero cape. Far out. Have no fear. Super Kitty is here. But Grumpy Toad starts to whine. That cape is mine, mine, mine. Grumpy Toad has all the toys and Pete has none. This play date is not much fun. Pete is sad, Pete is blue. He thinks about what to do. Grumpy Toad, wouldn't it be better if we were playing together? Grumpy Toad says, my pile of toys has grown, but it's no fun playing alone. Grumpy Toad thinks of all the fun he and Pete have together. Yes, sharing this play date would be so much better. Grumpy Toad shares his truck with Pete. You push me, and I'll push you. Zoom, zoom, vroom, all around the room. Grumpy Toad shares his blocks. Here are the blocks, Pete the Kitty, for you and me to build a city. Grumpy Toad shares his cape. Okay, time for superheroes to save the day. Have no fear, Wonder Toad and Super Kitty are here. Grumpy Toad shares all of his toys with Pete, and they play and play and play and play. What a groovy and awesome day. Thank you, Grumpy Toad, for sharing your cape, your truck, and your blocks. Wow, sharing rocks. They go back home, they go to sleep, and they are enjoying. Pete got to take home a cape, and Grumpy Toad has his truck, and they had a wonderful play date because they shared and they played together. I hope you guys know how to share and share your things with each other and enjoy your play dates and be kind whenever you can. Bye, guys.